How to add song on WhatsApp status. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the WhatsApp application on your device and make sure you have the stable Wi-Fi connection. As you do that, what you can simply do is tap on the status or update section at the bottom of the screen and then select on My Status. So here, as you can see, you can either add pictures or video, or you can just add any sort of text or voice. So this particularly shows that you can record your voice and you can add your recorded voiceovers over here or put pictures and videos. But the option to add a song on WhatsApp is not given. So let us check what we can do over here. Let's check for any updates available for WhatsApp. So as you can see on the Play Store, there is an option of update, which means we have the latest version of the WhatsApp application. So we're going to tap on open and we're going to go back and we can just screen record the song and then we can just skip it over here, and that's how you can just add a song on the WhatsApp status. There's no other way around. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.